Why are they spraying liquid soap on this pickup truck? Several of these videos have gone viral, and thousands of internet users are asking why. So here's the explanation. Supposedly, when driving at high speeds in the desert, the friction from sand particles in the air could wear down the paint. That's why they apply liquid soap in specific areas. Another theory suggests it might be a ritual they perform before starting the journey, as it's a dangerous region. And this video showing bullet impacts is proof of that. What do you think?